guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayo. Thank you for coming to watch my video. If you're new here, thank you so much. Hope you stick around. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video today. So today I'm going to be trying to recreate my own headband wig. I don't know if you've seen headband wigs on YouTube. I really love them because they are the kind of wigs that I would like to use, wigs that don't involve having to put baby hairs and gel and all that. So I have a wig that is similar, not quite like the wigs that I've been seeing, but I'm going to try and make it into a headband wig. So this is the wig. Yeah, this is the wig. People actually think this is my hair, you know. I don't know why, but yeah, anyway, I'm going to brush it. I'm going to apply some things. I'm going to apply some argan oil, some gel. If you haven't watched my video about this gel, please watch it. I will insert it somewhere above. And then I'm also going to apply a little bit of cream just to give it that bounce that it needs. Anyway, so let's get into it. So you can also change the hairband if you want a nice hairband, bright hairband. So I'm just going to change it. So just to let you know that you can definitely make your own DIY wig band. You don't have to go and buy a new wig that has a band, but you can if you have the money. Well, I like to use what I already have to recreate things. So yeah, that's it. You know, just spice up what you already have, and yeah, there we are. I'm not a wig expert by any shape or form, but I love wigs that you can easily put on and you don't have to do too much, because I don't want to spend time on my makeup and have to spend time on my hair as well. But yeah, I think this looks nice. Yeah, so if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and please share, and also please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.